You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding why the Earth shakes, or I will show you how to get the best understanding of earthquakes in just 60 seconds. Picture this. Earth's crust is like a giant cracked eggshell made up of massive pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, but they aren't exactly smooth dancers. When they bump into each other or slide past, all that built-up stress has to go somewhere. Boom! That stress gets released as energy, causing the ground to shake. Yep, that's an earthquake. Most quakes happen in seismic zones, like the famous Ring of Fire around the Pacific Ocean. So what should you do if you feel the ground start to wobble? Drop, cover, and hold on. Get under something sturdy and stay put. And remember, aftershocks can be just as gnarly, so stay alert. Quick tip: have an emergency kit ready with essentials like water, food, and a flashlight. Stay safe, stay curious, and remember, the Earth's dance moves are always unpredictable.